Hello and welcome to Digit. In this video, we'll show you how to pair the Wings PowerPods True Wireless Earbuds with your Android smartphone device. To begin with, you should ensure that the device is properly charged and that you read through the user manual to understand exactly how to operate it properly. To begin the pairing process, ensure that Bluetooth is turned on your smartphone. Next, open up the case cover. This activates the earpods and initiates the pairing mode, but for good measure, you should remove one or both of the earbuds and keep them outside. Next, on your smartphone, open up the Bluetooth settings panel. Refresh the list of available devices. And you can see that the Wings PowerPods has now appeared in the list. Tap on the name. Your phone will now give you a confirmation prompt. Tap on pair. And that's about it. You can see that the Wings PowerPods is now connected and is marked as active. You can also see that it is using the AAC codec. So that's how you can connect the PowerPods. So that's how you can connect the Wings PowerPods True Wireless Earbuds with your Android smartphone device. Thank you for watching.